Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Ristiandita Martamia Putri. In this video, I will show tutorial to use Microsoft Access. Please enjoy the video. This video is one of my individual assignment in the subject Accounting Information System. First, we open the Microsoft Visual Access application and open the data file that we want to process. In this video, I already have an Access file that already contains some data. With Microsoft Access, we can process that data that already available. All this data is called database, while at the very top are fields and the far left is record. The first task is establish the relationship between all related tables. Next, perform the following queries and save them. To create the relationship, we click database tool and click relationship. Then we add each data table starting from customer, employees, inventory, sales, and sales item. And then we adjust the location of each database as we want to make it to look neater and easier to understand. Now that we can start creating relationship, we first look at the same data in one database and another. For example, the customer ID is in the customer database and also in the sales database. We can start creating a relationship with us. Hold and drag the customer ID in this customer section to the customer ID section in the sales database. Then a table like this will appear and we first click Enforce Referential Integrity and then click Create. Then we do the same thing over and over again on each of the same data. Inventory ID with inventory ID. Employee ID with employee ID. And invoice ID with invoice ID. The purpose of making this relationship is to help us in processing data. So any data we need will appear. So the first task is done. The second task is list in ascending order the customer whose credit limit are less than $20,000 US. In this task, we use customer data and credit limits. So we click create and then click query design. Because we need data in the customer table, so we add customer database. Then we drag the data that we will need, that is customer ID, company name, and credit limits. We drag to the field. In the criteria section, we type less than 20,000. And then in the short section, we choose ascending and then click run. So this is the customer data whose credit limit is less than $20,000 US. Then we can change the name of query 1 according to what we want. I will change to task 2. We right click query 1 and click save. Then type the name we want. Task 2. And then click OK. Then we enter the third task. This is list all the product crying vanilla in their names. We click create and then query design. and the table we need is inventory, so we add inventory and drag each of the required data, that is inventory ID and inventory name, to the field section. In the inventory name section, we type in the criteria sheet start vanilla star. Don't forget to start with a capital letter because the name of the data in the database begins with a capital letter. And then click run and save. I save with text 3. So here is data for all products that contain vanilla. Enter the first text, that is who are the first 3 employees hired by the company. Click create and query design. In this text, we need data in the employees table, so we add employees. We drag each required data into the field, that is employee ID, employee first name, employee last name, and employee hire date. Because what is being asked is the first 3 employees employed by the company, then short in the employee hire date section we choose ascending and then click run. Then there are the name of the first 3 employees hired by the company. There is Steve Ballmer, Sharon Stonley, and Alanis Morrison. And don't forget to save the query and type the name. Text 4. And then click OK. Now we start to create text 5. That is who are the top 3 customers in 2015 based on sale. Click create and query design. We add the tables we need, that is customer, sales, and sales item. We drag the required data, that is customer ID, company name, and invoice date. Then in this section, we type value of the column, space, quantity in square brackets, then star, and unit price also in square bracket. Don't forget to pay attention to the spelling of each letter. Then here we choose sales item, and in the search section we right click and choose total, then choose sum and group by sum. And in the search section we choose descending. Then in the criteria section on the invoice date we type more than equal to 1/1/2015, Don't forget to add the hashtag. And click run. So here is data for the top 3 customer in 2015 based on sale. There is Sherwood Packaging Corporation, Overseas Shipping Group, and Case America International. And then save the query. And we'll give name a tax 5. And then click OK. Then on the last text, there is who are the top 3 employees based on sales made in 2014. Click create and query design. We add employee, sales, and sales item because we need data from the 3 tables. Then track each required data. There is employee ID, employee first name, employee last name, and invoice date. Then type in this section the value of colon space quantity in square bracket star unit price in square bracket. Then choose sales item and then right click, then choose total and choose sum. Then sort, we choose descending. And in the invoice criteria, the date we type is less than 1/1/2015. Don't forget to give a hashtag. And click run. So here is the data on the top employees based on sale in 2014. There is David Cole, Barbara Watterson, and Hillary Flintsteel. And then save the query. I give name tax 6 and then click OK. So here's how to use Microsoft Access to make it easier to find the data you need from the large amount data available. That's all from me. Thank you and bye bye.